Go black with your hair. Why is African hair so different? Follicles that are more oval in shape cause curlier hair to grow. Very tightly coiled hair is due to the nearly flat, ribbon-like structure of their follicles. This hair texture is very common in people of African ancestry. Not only is African hair often coiled, it also has a unique texture. The African hair is generally curly or frizzy and grows almost parallel to the scalp. It has the slowest growth rate of 0.9 centimeters per month due to its spiral structure, which causes it to twist on itself as it grows. African hair has a flattening shape. It is said that African hair is live. The coils reach for the sun. That's why it's curly and bouncy. If you notice European hair, it's flat and dead. We are the people of the sun. Life lives within and outside of us. Natural hair. Sometimes you just gotta pick at it till it's right. Brush her softly, like you love her. Butter me up after a good wash. Wash and set. Swim and set works well also. Twist it or brush it up. Pull up your twisted style. Pick it out, all coilies to the sun. Wrap it up. Always works too. One braid up, multiple braids down. Best part is you can do it yourself. Growing back to our roots. It's natural. Go black with your hair.